Welcome. If you're managing a Telegram group and want to keep things organized, you may want to prevent members from sending files. Whether you're running a professional community, a study group, or just want to minimize clutter, controlling what members can share helps keep your group focused and secure. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to stop group members from sending files in Telegram. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're logged in and have admin rights for the group you want to manage. Next, go to the group chat where you want to restrict file sharing. You can find your group in the chat list. Just tap to open it. Once you're in the group chat, look to the top of the screen and tap on the group picture or the group's name. This will open the group's information page, where you can see details about the group and its members. Now, look for the edit icon, usually a pencil or similar symbol, at the top right corner. Tap on this icon to enter the group's settings. Here, you'll find several options to customize your group. Find and tap on the option labeled Permissions. This section lets you control what group members are allowed to do. Under Permissions, look for the setting called Send Media. Tap on it to view the list of media types that members can send. In the list, you'll see an option for Files. To stop members from sending files, simply unmark or turn off the Files choice. This will prevent everyone except admins from sharing files in the group. If you want to allow other types of media, like photos or videos, you can leave those options enabled. Once you've made your changes, exit the settings. Your new permissions will take effect immediately, and group members will no longer be able to send files. By following these steps, you can easily control file sharing in your Telegram group and create a safer, more organized space for everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to check back for more helpful Telegram tips.